Hey guys! Have you ever thought about growing your own ginger at home? What if I told you it's super easy to do it in containers? Stick around to find out how. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of ginger. It's not just a delicious addition to your meals, but it's also packed with health benefits. Plus, growing ginger in containers means you can do it anywhere. So, many of us want to grow our own herbs and spices, but sometimes we think we don't have enough space or the right conditions. Maybe you live in an apartment with a tiny balcony or no outdoor garden at all. The good news is that growing ginger in containers is a fantastic solution. It's flexible, easy, and you can move your containers around depending on the sunlight. Let's tackle this challenge together. Let's talk about what you need to grow ginger successfully. First off, you'll need a piece of fresh ginger root. Look for ones that have visible eyes or sprouts. You can find this at your local grocery store or farmer's market. Next, choose a container that's at least 12 inches deep. Ginger loves to spread out, so give it some room. Make sure your container has drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Now, for the soil, use a well-draining potting mix. You can mix in some compost for extra nutrients. This way, you're setting your ginger up for success right from the start. Here's the exciting part. Once you've planted your ginger, all you need to do is keep it in a warm, sunny spot and water it regularly. In about 3 to 4 weeks, you'll start to see new shoots sprouting up. This is where the magic happens. Just be patient because it typically takes about 8 to 10 months for your ginger to mature. But trust me, it's worth the wait. You'll end up with fresh ginger that you can use in your cooking or tea, and there's nothing quite like the taste of homegrown ginger. To wrap things up, growing ginger in containers is not only doable but also super rewarding. You get to enjoy the process, and in the end, you'll have some fresh ginger at your fingertips. Remember, all you need is a piece of ginger, a container, some soil, and a bit of patience. If you've enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments if you plan on growing ginger or if you've tried it before. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome gardening tips. And check out my next video where we talk about other amazing herbs you can grow at home.